Okay, let's do this test here, okay? We saw some difference, we noticed some difference between the CVS test and the Walgreens test. This is CVS, okay? And this is Walgreens. Okay, so let's start off with Walgreens. So what would it be? What would be the reason?
I don't know. The two machines are different.
Yeah, they're different, but they're supposed to, how do you say, equal?
They should be the same.
They should be the same. They should come out with the same results.
But they're not.
We're going to start off with this. Let's do this. Okay, this is going to be the True Metrix, Walgreens. Let's see. We need some more blah right there. Okay, I got it. Let's see. 9:56 a.m. It's a Tuesday, the 28th. 176, okay? 176. Should be like with the Walgreens one you should be like 20 points less than that. Okay, so this is gonna be Walgreens is gonna be 176, okay?
Okay.
Let's do the CVS one. Okay, give me a different hand. We're gonna do the CVS one. Just so you know, it's a different, not only a different machine device, but a different test strip. Okay. This one doesn't fit right here, and this one doesn't fit right here. Okay. There we go. Let's see. So this is going to be CVS, okay? Let's see. 206. That's too much. That's 30 points difference. That's
yes.
Too much. So there should be sort of a conversation, like an understanding between these two companies, because this has to be with the health of my wife. And so many people dealing with this situation. 206, and this one was 176. So what's going on? There we go. We're gonna be coming back with another video, okay?
Thank you.